What if I told you that the secret to reclaiming your energy, clearing your skin, and resetting your entire digestive system isn't hidden in a pharmacy, but sitting right there on your kitchen counter? Most people start their day with a jolt of caffeine that leaves them crashing by noon. But today, at Nature's Healing Lab, we are returning to the roots of wellness. We're talking about the morning golden reset, lemon and baking soda. This isn't just a drink, it's a chemical harmony that mimics the body's natural alkaline state. If you've been feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off, your body is screaming for a balance shift. In today's discussion, we aren't just giving you a recipe, we are offering you a roadmap to a revitalized version of yourself. From the cellular science of pH balancing to the ancient wisdom of citrus therapy, we're uncovering why this specific ritual has become the ultimate morning habit for those who prioritize longevity. Let's stop masking the symptoms and start feeding the cure. The combination of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of sodium bicarbonate creates an effervescent elixir. When consumed on an empty stomach, it acts as a gentle internal sweep. Lemons are anionic, meaning they carry a negative charge, which helps stimulate bioproduction and flushes the liver. When paired with the alkalizing power of baking soda, it helps neutralize excess acidity in the digestive tract. Imagine your metabolism waking up not with a shock, but with a refreshing wave of hydration and mineral support. This ritual helps in rapid detoxification, assisting the kidneys in filtering toxins, skin radiance, reducing internal inflammation that leads to breakouts, weight management, helping the body maintain a metabolic rate that burns fat more efficiently. Now let us step into the sanctuary of your kitchen to craft this powerful blend. In the world of Nature's Healing Lab, the how is just as vital as the what. This isn't just mixing ingredients, it's an alchemical process that requires precision to respect your body's delicate chemistry. How to prepare. To begin, you need pure filtered water, neither ice cold nor boiling. We want it at room temperature or slightly lukewarm to mirror your body's internal heat. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh organic lemon into a glass, about 8 ounces of water. Now add just a quarter teaspoon of high-quality baking soda. You'll see a beautiful effervescent fizz, a tiny dance of carbonation. Wait for that fizz to settle completely. This chemical reaction is what transforms the acidity into an alkalizing gift for your blood. How to consume. This elixir is most powerful when your system is a blank canvas. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before your first meal or coffee. Sip it slowly, allowing your body to recognize and absorb each mineral. The 2-week rule. Nature thrives in cycles, and so should your healing. To prevent your body from becoming overly dependent or shifting its pH too far, follow the 14-7 rule. Drink this mixture daily for 2 weeks, then give your body a full 7 days of rest. This gap allows your kidneys and digestive tract to recalibrate and find their own natural rhythm. Listen to the whispers of your body during the break. You'll notice the lasting energy even when you aren't drinking it. True healing isn't an overnight miracle, it is a whisper that builds into a roar within your cells. Think of your body as a temple that has been weathering the storm of modern life, processed sugars, environmental stressors, and the quiet weight of chronic inflammation. When you introduce this simple morning ritual, you aren't just drinking water, you are offering a peace treaty to your internal organs. The magic lies in the silence of the morning. While the world is still asleep, your blood is seeking equilibrium. By providing this gentle alkaline boost before any food enters the system, you are essentially oiling the gears of your biological clock. It's about the clarity that follows, the fog lifting from your mind, and the lightness in your step. This is where nature meets biology in a perfect, quiet dance. We often look for complex solutions to our exhaustion, forgetting that the earth provided the antidote in its simplest forms: the sun, the soil, and the citrus. But with great power comes the need for wisdom. Nature operates in cycles. The tides rise and fall, the seasons shift, and your body requires that same rhythmic grace. You cannot force a flower to bloom year-round, and you shouldn't ask your system to maintain the same intensity without rest. Understanding when to lean in and when to step back is the true mark of a healer. It is a journey of listening to the subtle cues of your own skin, your digestion, and your spirit. We are moving beyond the quick fix culture and stepping into a lifestyle of intentional longevity. If you found value in today's journey at Nature's Healing Lab, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Let's continue to heal, one mindful ritual at a time. Until next time, stay radiant and stay connected to the earth.
At Nature's Healing Lab, our heart beats for your wellness. The journey we share today is rooted in ancient wisdom and the beauty of natural living. However, please remember that this information is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Every body is a unique temple, and what works for one may not work for another. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a qualified physician before starting any new ritual, especially if you have underlying health conditions, are pregnant, or are on medication. Your safety and health are our greatest priority. Let's heal together, but let's do it wisely.